Tingers, my name is Natalia, and as you requested in the polls, today I'm going to show you something very special for Easter, which can be used as a card or place cards for the Easter dinner. So they look like this: a cute bunny and chicken holding a chocolate egg for Easter. They are so easy to create and they are so cute. I mean, who wouldn't want this for Easter? And even if you don't celebrate Easter, you can still create these and then maybe just create some different kind of animals like cats, dogs, pigs, birds, whatever, and then just add another kind of candy and then give it away. Now, if you want to see some of these kind of DIYs in the future, subscribe to this channel and remember to hit the bell button below so don't miss out. So let's begin. Here's what you need. Do you have everything ready? Tingerific! Let's begin! Now take a construction paper and then make a rectangle with the measurements 5 and 15 centimeters. Divide the long side by 3 and make markings at 5 centimeters. Do this on the other side as well and then make lines across the figure. And this is to separate the head, body and legs. To create the arms, measure 2 centimeters on the body area, make a mark and do this on the other side as well. From this marking, measure outwards 5 centimeters and then you'll have created an arm. And of course, repeat this on the other side as well. This is how the figure looks like before decorating it. You can choose whatever kind of animal you like a cat, a bear or a bunny. And of course, I chose the bunny because this is for Easter. And it doesn't matter if you don't sketch within the lines act as a guide, so just create something you like. Then cut it out. Erase any pencil markings that might be from the earlier sketches. Add some cute details to its face. And if you made a bunny like I did, you can take the ears and then just fold it downwards to make it a little bit cuter. Then either use some double-sided tape or take a piece of folded tape and then place it on the body. Then place the candy right on top. Then take another piece of folded tape, place it onto the candy, then fold the arms up and right onto the candy. And press down onto the arms to make them stick. Now you can create a lot of different kind of animals and you can add a lot of different kind of candy. So get creative and then give them away. I hope you enjoyed watching. Leave a like if you did and be sure to check out these DIYs here to get some more inspiration. And if you want to see the upcoming videos in the channel, you need to subscribe and be part of a lovely Tinker family here at Natalia's Toolbox. So subscribe and I'll see you soon with more ideas. Bye!